Hello, here is my stopwatch. We got start button here and button here. When you press the start button, it automatically resets, and button does that. It works pretty well. You can press them pretty close together. That's fun. We've got it connected to a shield just because there's a lot of stuff to connect here, and it just allows me to take off the shield and use my Arduino for other things. Over here, we've got the code. Lots of fun. We've got a bunch of variables here. A few things to look out for. Time is important, and timer. These two are just setting, or this one just setting input pins. Then the LCD starts, or this one's setting what the LCD is actually connected to. Things starting, pins being set up. Over here, LCD print home. This just moves our cursor back to home, and then it'll print whatever the time is. Time is just a variable that gets updated continuously so that we can continuously print the time as we're going. So here, this is saying if the button is pressed down and the timer is off, and the start button state is false. So that's just to prevent it from being pressed down multiple times. Then it'll set the start time, set the start button state to true. This is just so that it doesn't loop back through there. Turn the timer on, does some printing just for debugging. And then this is the end function. A lot of the same stuff, just the opposites. This is what updates the time as it's running. And then these two statements down here are just sensing for when the button's released, and then just setting that button state back to false. Pretty cool, works well.